Hi guys, in this video I am going to tell you how you can use two WhatsApp on one mobile phone. So first method is this: you have to create accounts in WhatsApp. That is a new feature of the WhatsApp update. Here you have to switch account and can create new account. In this way you can use two accounts on same WhatsApp application. You can switch to other account. Here I have already made two accounts on my WhatsApp, so it's showing switch account. If you do not have this, then you create. The method 2 is the use WhatsApp business. If you are using simple WhatsApp application, then you can download WhatsApp business from Play Store and make a business account for WhatsApp. That is another feature of the WhatsApp. You can use two WhatsApp on one mobile phone. You have to just install and create account on the WhatsApp using the other mobile number. The third method is the cloning and application in Android phone. That is a feature of most Android version above than 12. You have the option of clone application in Android devices. As I have the Vivo phone, so it has iManager, and you have option in tools like clone apps. Or if you do not have a clone app in manager tool, then you can search phone clone in your setting application and then clone any accounting application like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or Gmail, Google, etc. from using this method. Method 3 is, if you do not have this, you can use dual space application. That's the method is the most common method. It's like parallel space, or you can also use dual space to clone any application like games and another social application. In this way you can use multiple WhatsApp accounts on one mobile phone. And if you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. It will help me to motivate and again upload many videos. Thanks for watching.